Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Gesan Aryan Gani with ID student 192519665. I am from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Margonda, Depok. Here I will work on part 1 of a segment which is to give my opinion about the Indonesia versus Bahrain match to the World Cup qualification round third. Let's do it. Bahrain scored the equalizer in the 99 minute against Indonesia 3 minutes after their player expect the match to end. The Indonesia national team played against Bahrain in the World Cup qualification third round, qualifiers ending in a 2-2 draw. Indonesia previously conceded a goal first, which was scored by Bahrain player Muhammad Marhon with a very spectacular shoot. In my opinion, in the first 45 minutes, Indonesia dominated the game too much, but due to the percentage of the Indonesian national team, they were finally able to equalize in the 45 plus third minute scored by Ragnar Arad Mangun. In the second half, Indonesia dominated the game, continuously taking shots on target, direct at Bahrain's goal, and eventually Indonesia extend their advantage in the 73rd minute through Rafael strike, making the score 2-1 for Indonesia. After conceding a goal, Bahrain did know when to remain passive and will playing at Bahrain's home ground. They continued to attack Indonesia. With that, Indonesia maintains a defensive stance to prevent conceding. The second half saved an additional plus 6 minutes and the time is already 96 plus minute. With the time that had already passed and the players also starting to lose concentration, Indonesia eventually conceded a goal in the 98 plus minute. Everyone complained to the referee because more than 30 minutes has passed since the added time, but it still had not been resolved. Actually, this match is very regrettable. Why was the referee for this game from a Middle Eastern country? The referee should have been from Europe, who is neutral. Maybe that's according to my knowledge and opinion about this match. Thank you everyone, and let's continue with part second of the assessment. Okay, and in this part second, I chose the topic of simple present tense. Let's do it. And this my profile. My name is Muhammad Gisan Aryan Gani. My class in 191C01. My ID is 1925 1965. Okay, what is simple present? The simple present tense is a sentence from in English used to express habits, facts, or events that are repeated and changing. This tense use the base form of the verb one with the addition of the ending s or is for the third person singular he, she, it. Definition of simple present. The present simple is a verb tense used for habits, general truths, repeated action, and checking situational is format using the base form of the verb form modes subject with will the third person singular the she it adds an s or is to the end. For example, I work but he walks and she watches. Simple present tense formula is this have a subject example I you we they verb one and complement object adjective adverb etc. Positive sentence formula number one is a subject plus verb one and with s or is plus number two object example. She reads a comic is example. Negative sentence formula. Subject plus do or does plus not plus verbs one. Example, she does not like burger. Why does? Because he she. Because with a C. Interrogative sentence formula. Do or does plus subject plus verb one. Example, do you playing basketball? The use of verb plus s or s. Add s for he, she, it. Add s for verbs ending in ch, sh, ss, xo. Next, the use of do and does. Do, I, you, we, they. Does, he, she, it. Is an example. Adverb of frequency always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Example, he always drink matcha in the morning. Always in adverb of frequency. Time expression, sorry, time expressions every day, on Monday, once a week, etc. Example of a positive sentence. I go to home every day. She plays music. This example. Example of negative sentence. It's first, they don't eat fish. A second, she doesn't playing football. Next. Example of interrogative sentence. Do you like corn dog? It's a first. Does you work here? Is a second. This is a second. X. Exercise question 1. Choose the correct verb form. Example. Question. He go or goes to school. Answer, he goes to school because he uh y- because use he, and answer is goes. Exercise question 2. They play or plays football on Sunday. Answer, they play football on Sunday because this use a day. Next, exercise question 3. I run or running in the morning at 7 a.m. Answer is run. Next, cover common mistake forgetting to add s or is, using do or does incorrectly. Main function to state facts, habits, routine, and condition that are general or permanent. Kalimat positif, yang pertama itu subject plus verb one. Untuk for are you we they, subject plus verb one plus s or as. Untuk he, she, it, kalimat negatif or subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one. Integration, integrative, do or does plus subject plus verb one. Next, thank you for attention. Thank you for the listen. Thank you for watching my English assessment. See you next time in the video, and bye bye.